haven't had any close calls with that specific task before. Probably my mind wasn't on the task at all. I work with all kinds of rotating equipment that is merciless. It will remove limbs very easily. My attention level is definitely much higher when I work with those roller boxes now. I was performing a maintenance on a roller box panel to change some bearings and clean it up. Done this task a lot. At the time I did this roller box panel, it had been quite a few months since I'd done one. I haven't had any close calls with that specific task before. The close calls I had were more with the pressing on of bearings or pressing the shafts out of the rollers themselves. I am pretty comfortable doing that task. I don't think I was complacent. I think the main factor that was involved was that was going to be the first game of the playoffs that Edmonton hadn't been in for 10 years that night. And I'd also got notification that all my mountain bike parts were in. So I was looking forward to getting that back together. Probably my mind wasn't on the task at all. The potential severity of injuries I think about all the time due to my job. I work with all kinds of rotating equipment that is merciless. It will remove limbs very easily. The PPE I had on at the time was my coveralls, my safety glasses, and a set of gloves that looked a lot like that. The injury went after my thumb got crushed. I was gone the half day of my injury and the next day, which was the day before Good Friday. So then I had the whole long weekend to recover, and I was back to work on Monday, kind of on a light duty, sort of just in the office. And it was, like I say, Easter last year. April 12th was the exact date of the injury. The lasting effects from it is my thumb I got about 95% of the dexterity back in it. It is absolutely useless in the cold. It just freezes right away, and the feeling of touch is still a little bit screwed up. I have feeling of touch, but if you put 2 pins on there, I can't tell that they touch differently. Have I changed my approach to that task? Yes, I have, because I usually have more help, and I usually get those guys to do it, and I just sort of explain and make sure they don't do what I was doing. And my attention level is definitely much higher when I work with those roller boxes now. And we did change the procedure quite a bit for us. We went through all the step-by-step procedures, looking at safety specifically, and we even got together with Mickey Walsh and the guys from the US and put together a real safe procedure for it.
Si comparamos la situación de Richard con la jerarquía de controles, notaremos que se perdieron algunas oportunidades en que se podría haber evitado esta lesión. Después de la lesión, se escribió un nuevo procedimiento para esta tarea. El nuevo procedimiento, en este caso, fue un control administrativo efectivo que reduce en gran medida la probabilidad de que esto vuelva a suceder. Antes del control administrativo, solo pudimos confiar en el nivel inferior de la jerarquía de controles, que es el EPP, equipo de protección personal. Si bien el EPP puede salvar una lesión, es importante considerarla como la última línea de defensa. Una situación como la de Richard sobrepasa el ser evitada por el EPP solamente. La gravedad potencial de una lesión que involucra una caja de rodillos es muy alta. Usted puede recordar el simulacro con una mano con guante que se muestra aquí, que enviamos a través de una caja de rodillos el pasado julio, como una demostración de las limitaciones del EPP. Aunque la lesión de Richard fue significativa, podría haber sido mucho peor. Ahora vamos a ver más de cerca el simulacro con la mano cuando removemos el guante. Como puede observar, la mano está mucho peor de lo que parecía con el guante puesto. Conforme removemos el guante, es importante notar que cada dedo se vio muy afectado, así como también los huesos metacarpianos cerca de la muñeca. Esta lesión es mucho más grave que simplemente algunos huesos rotos. Existen laceraciones y el dedo medio está amputado. Si una lesión como esta le sucede, le cambiará la vida para siempre. Sin embargo, es importante tener en cuenta que el EPP puede prevenir lesiones. Eche un vistazo a otra historia reciente donde un guante de impacto salvó a un empleado de una lesión.
About 4 days ago, we had a near miss. We were flying in some hubs, which they're coming in by forklift on the sling, steel hubs. All the jaws are open on the machine. As I'm bringing it in, I'm lowering it down, we're setting it in, and I'm holding on to it because I don't want it moving, because he still has tension on the cable. As I'm coming down with this jaw, I release my hand off of it to come, I try to do it in one motion to grab this jaw and come up to close it. But I was doing some taps, and I had oil all over my hands from tapping thread. And at about this point, my hand is here. And at about this point, it slipped out of my hand because of the oil. And believe it or not, it didn't hurt my finger at all. I guess it's doing its job.
Sin el guante de impacto en esta situación, probablemente estaríamos viendo huesos rotos, hematomas y laceraciones. En esta situación, compatibilizar o utilizar el guante adecuado para el tipo de peligro minimizó con éxito el impacto y salvó a Carl de una lesión. Hay algunos puntos claves que me gustaría que se lleven y recuerden de las historias de este entrenamiento. Asegúrese de que se complete una evaluación de riesgos adecuada antes de la tarea. Mantenga enfoque en la tarea. Si no puede enfocarse en la tarea, no la comience. Haga coincidir el guante con el peligro. Asegúrese de que las observaciones de comportamiento se completen. Si tiene alguna pregunta o sugerencia, comuníquese con su departamento de seguridad. La mejora continua es una parte vital de nuestro camino hacia cero incidentes. Gracias por su atención.